This 2026 NuCamp Tab 320 Boondock is a teardrop trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 6 inches in length and features a neutral elm interior, sleeps 2, external shower, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, refrigerator, air conditioning, water heater, TV, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this teardrop trailer RV features couples coach. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 320 Boondock is 2,069 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.